Hello, grade 4. Today we will learn fraction. Fraction represent the numerator over the denominator. What does it mean fraction? Fraction is a number that describes the part of a whole, like this picture, or the part of a set, like this one. Here I have set of shape. Now let's start explaining the fraction as a part of a whole. Here I have one whole and I divide this one whole into 4 equal parts. So the total equal parts are 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I'm gonna write the denominator is 4. Represent the denominator, represent the number down. Okay, denominator, number down, and represent the total equal part. Now, the numerator represent the part that are taken. Here, they take one part. So I have 1 over 4. How I read this number? I read it as a 1/4 or 1/4. You have to memorize this number in word form. 1/4 or 1/4. Now let's explain the fraction as a set. Here I have a set of shape, 2 stars and 3 hearts. If they ask about the fraction of shape that are stars, remember the denominator represents the total number of shape, stars and heart. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the denominator is 5. Now, the number of the stars is 2. So the fraction is 2 over 5. How I read it? 2/5. Okay? 2/5. Remember the denominator ending by THS. I'm gonna write it here. The denominator ending by THS. So how I read the fifth, fifth, THS. Now, let's solve this one. Remember, the fraction is numerator over the denominator. Let's start by finding the denominator. The denominator represents the total equal part. 1. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the denominator here is 8. I have 8 equal parts. Now, how many parts they are taken, or how many colored part is 3. How I read it? 3/8. Okay, remember 8 in word form ending by THS. Now here, how many equal part? The total of the equal part for the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 equal parts. And how many colored part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the numerator. I have 5 colored part. So how I read this number? 5/7. Okay, remember THS. Now I'm gonna review with you the fraction as a word form. 1/4, 1/4, or 1/4. Okay, now here 5/6. Look at the 6 here, it's ending by THS. Remember the denominator ending by THS. Here I put only TH because I have one part. Now here 1/2. 1 over 2, we read it as a 1/2. You have to memorize the word form of a fraction. 7/8. Look at the 8 ending by THS. Now let's solve exercise 1. Color the part for each figure. Here I have 1 over 4. So as I said, it's 1/4 or 1/4. 4, I have 4 equal parts and I have to color how many parts? 1 only. So I'm gonna color 1. Here I have 1 over 2 or 1/2. 2 equal parts. Yes, I have 2 equal parts. How many parts I have to color? 1. So I'm gonna color this one. 3/4. I have 4 equal parts and I have to color only 3. Okay. Now let's do exercise 3, page 61. We have to write the fraction for each figure. Now let's count together the total equal part. How many equal part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 represent the denominator. How many colored part? 1. So the answer is 1/4 or 1/4. Look at the fraction. Okay. Now how many equal part? The total equal part. We will start writing or finding the denominator first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 equal parts. And here I have 1 colored part. So the answer is 1/8. TH only because I have 1. Now here 1/2. 1/2. Okay. Now let's solve the second row. Here I have 3 equal parts. And I have 2 colored parts. So the answer is 2/3. How many equal parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many colored parts? 3. So how will I read it? 3/4. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 equal parts. What about the colored part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5/9. 9th THS. Now here in this example, how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 equal parts. What about the colored part? I have 4 colored parts. So the answer is 4/6 THS. Here I have 4 equal parts and 2 colored parts only. So the answer is 2/4. Try to do the last one by yourself. Thanks for watching.